Hey y'all, I'm Vivian Knox with Joyza, and I'm here to help you attach these foil balloons into your garland. First step is to identify which foil balloon you have. Does it have a traditional tail, or is it one of these fun starbursts? So we're gonna show you how to attach it into here seamlessly. All right, so step 2, you're gonna take your 260 from the DIY kit, and you're going to tie a double knot from the head onto the tail of your foil balloon, like so. And then, once you have that, you're going to tie the tail end of your 260 to itself on the head of the 260 in a knot, creating a rubber band. You're gonna select your balloon that you want to attach it to and slip it aside, and now you have it attached. And if you're just using the starburst, it's even easier. You're gonna take your 260 and you're gonna hug it and then tie at the end. So I'm hugging my starburst at any point. And then I'm taking my 260 right here and I'm gonna tie the head and the tail together. All right, so we're gonna open up this rubber band and then just hug it around one of the balloons in our garland, and now it's attached. All right, now we're gonna attach him to the garland. And with these easy steps, you can party like a pro. So go to our website and check out more helpful videos, tips, and tricks. We'll see you next time.